Hi there, my name's Sarah, and this quick tip will show you how to make seamless tiling patterns in Clip Studio Paint, like this cute fall fairy picture. To start, I'll make a new image. It doesn't have to be square, but for this example I'll use a 1200 by 1200 pixel canvas. I'll draw in some elements. I begin by sketching with the pencil tool on one layer, and then inking on a separate layer with the pen tool. I'm saving the color for the end. However you choose to do this part is up to you. For now, steer clear of the corners and edges. We'll get to them in a moment. Use Ctrl A to select your whole canvas. Do not skip this step or it won't work right. Right-click on the layer and select Convert Layer. Change the Type drop-down to Image Material Layer. Uncheck Keep Original Layer. Click OK. You can now deselect the canvas with Ctrl D. Go to the Operation tool and make sure the Object subtool is selected. Your new image material layer is an object with some unique properties. Scroll down the tool properties and enable tiling. When I resize the object, it tiles. I'll just use Ctrl Z to undo that. I can now use that tiling to move my image so I can draw in the rest of the pattern. I don't believe there's currently a way to move in CSP by a specific number of pixels, but let me know if I missed it somewhere. There is a workaround, however. Go to the Edit menu and choose Change Canvas Size. Put the reference point in the top left corner and make the image half again as big as it currently is. It's 1200 right now, so I'll make it 1800 on both dimensions. Hit OK. Then, go back to Change Canvas Size again. This time, put the reference point in the bottom right corner and change the canvas back to 1200 by 1200. Bit of an odd workaround, but now the canvas has been shifted by exactly 600 pixels in both directions. If you go to a drawing tool now, you'll see you can't actually draw on an image material layer. Right-click on the layer and choose Rasterize. Now you can draw on it again. I'll make another sketch layer and add in a few more elements to fill the empty space, exactly as I did the first time. To test out the pattern, convert it back to an image material layer and turn tiling on. Rasterize it again if you need to make corrections. Go back and forth as many times as you want. Just make sure you always return it to full size so it tiles properly. I'm happy with the pattern, so I'll go ahead and add color to finish it off. Now you've got a seamlessly tiling image you can use for wallpaper, fabric printing, a texture on a 3D model, anything you want. In Clip Studio Paint, you can convert it back to a tiled image material to use within the program. Just make sure the whole thing is merged into a single layer first. If you plan to use it a lot, or you'd like to put it on Clip Studio Assets, go to the Edit menu and choose Register Material, then Image. Because I already set it up as a tiled image material, tiling will be checked by default. Give it a name, and choose a save location, then hit OK. Now it's available in your materials. You can drag it onto any canvas and move and size it however you want. I'll be using this example in my upcoming tutorial on layer masks. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and don't forget that Patreon members get early access to all of my videos and new art. I hope you found this tip helpful. I'll see you next time.